Mark was feeling down. His long-term girlfriend had just broken up with him, and he was struggling at his job. But when he woke up on March 20th, he remembered it was International Day of Happiness. He decided to push aside his negative feelings for the day and do small things that brought him joy. International Day of Happiness is celebrated on March 20th each year. It was founded in 2012 by the United Nations to recognize the importance of happiness and well-being as a universal goal and aspiration in people's lives. The UN aims to help members consider happiness and contentment as an important input as they shape policies and make decisions. While happiness seems like a person's choice, there are factors that contribute to a happy life. Things like income, healthy relationships, and experiences all play a role in a person's well-being and life satisfaction. Recognizing the benefits of happiness and enabling more people to achieve contentment is beneficial for both individuals and society. When people are happy, they tend to be healthier, more productive, and engaged citizens. To celebrate International Day of Happiness, people do simple acts that spread joy and cheer. Things like smiling at strangers, giving compliments, engaging in acts of kindness, and helping neighbors are all easy ways to boost happiness and positivity. Listening to upbeat music, watching a funny movie, spending time with loved ones, and exercising are other ways to stimulate feelings of joy and contentment. Mark called up a friend and they went for a hike at the nearby nature reserve. Spending time outside and chatting with his friend lifted Mark's spirits. His friend made him laugh by sharing stories of his silly dog. By the end of the day, Mark was feeling lighter and more optimistic. Though his circumstances had not changed, celebrating International Day of Happiness reminded him that he could choose to focus on little moments of joy, even during tough times. While life circumstances are not always something we can control, happiness is a choice we can make each day. On International Day of Happiness and every day, take time to do simple things that make you and others smile. Happiness is contagious, so spread the joy whenever you can. Choosing a positive mindset and engaging in cheerful acts, no matter how small, can make a difference in your life and the lives of those around you. March 20 is International Day of Happiness. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful International Day of Happiness. Cheers!